Friday, I was like, better get it
That
now.
Tinkerbell?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come here, you. I never seen you. I never seen you. Hey, Tinkerbell? Yeah, you like Tinkerbell?
Papa, now I'm 5. Now I'm 6.
Thank you.
Now, Papa, now I'm 6. It's just a Christmas tree.
You're getting really old.
I know, my birthday's on October 27th.
Dora stuff to go with your Dora tent. Remember the tent that Jacob had, the SpongeBob tent?
Look at, still have Akira's at our house that I can give you. What did I get? Ooh, a Christmas ornament.
Yep. Go put it in that bag that your dad has to carry.
Ooh, I like it.
Over here.
You open yours?
Right
there.
I'm doing it in this video.
Ooh, I didn't have to. I got it for Christmas.
Okay.
I got Chill House.
Leif found this in your couch.
Right on. There's probably like 10 of them in there somewhere.
What's that?
He's sitting here opening up presents, then he hands me a pen.
I'm gonna look.
Good looking out, kiddo.
Ooh, look at that.
What's
Isn't
this?
that pretty? I'll wear them to dinner tonight. What do you think?
They're not too big?
Yes.
Does
I
it
don't know
work?
if I'll put them on.
I think the kids put it on. Oh, it's for you.
Hey.
Okay. You can help
It goes
Daddy
in your
open.
hair.
Pretty girl.
Ask someone.
Okay, here you go. Reach in there. Let's figure out what Daddy got.
This is the song.
Is that Dora?
Christmas bell.
Is that Dora? Dora?
You found the
Dora
bubble
the
wrap. You found the
Explorer?
important stuff.
Yeah, she knows who Dora is.
Yeah.
Getting humongous.
You grew up so fast.
Sorry.
Oh.
You okay?
Oh, be careful.
Yeah, I'm okay.
There you go.
Yeah, I
You
started
look
over that
beautiful.
song.
Did you tell Grandpa about your headphones?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
first
we buy
thing.
my headphones.
How DJs wear them?
I have one. Oh.
No, he doesn't want to take them off. He puts them around his neck and goes, this is how DJs wear their headphones like this.
Oh, okay.
I'm just like, wow.
Okay, so when you're playing the game, you can do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're supposed to have one on, one off, I think.
So you can hear what it sounds like and what everyone else is hearing.
Yeah.
Right now?
Hand out those, yeah.
Look at you putting that on your backpack. I can't believe you're holding that up.
I think this is for one of the girls.
Yeah.
Hand them out.
Go ahead, hand the rest out, Kayla.
Cute.
Whoa, watch out, Chloe.
Cute.
You got all twisted up?
Ooh, that's
Yeah, you need help.
That's hilarious.
I didn't know who that coffee was.
I just bought one like a couple weeks ago and put them on mine, but it only came with 2.
Here's one more.
Now I can put it on the rest of the keys too. Because I need one for the more keys.
Here.
All right.
That's hilarious. Because I know Kathy had something to do with that. Because there's been at least 2 times where I was supposed to meet her up with her, and I was like, I'm sorry, I cannot find my damn
Oh, we
keys.
can't
And
put it
she had to
together
drive
here.
the kids
There's-
over.
Oh well, and we knew about when Jordan lost them, and you know,
Now, it won't fit out
it
the
seems to
door.
be a reoccurring theme.
It's like
So
you have to wait till we're at home, okay?
It won't fit out the door if you put it together now.
This is how I open presents.
See, I told you.
yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Who do you think?
sorry. Must be Clyde.
Exactly. I made the comment yesterday when I was over there. I was like, what, no fudge for me?
Who is this?
Turtle. I got turtle.
I got chocolate pecan. That's pretty close to turtle. All it's missing is the caramel.
Cool.
I got Bear Claw.
I don't even really know what flavor I got. I didn't know.
Not at all.
I haven't gotten into it yet.
Okay, so you hold on to this probably in your wallet.
Right, you put that in your wallet, and
And then you put this
then
on your keys, so when you lose it,
I
you hit
got a
search.
dollhouse.
right, you just have to hope you don't lose your wallet.
Dollhouse.
Or they're close enough that you can hear that
I
going.
went into that as seen on TV store,
Oh my God, dollhouse.
and I thought that was cool because with that flat card like that, you know,
Under the tree.
That's hilarious.
Sure, I was like,
I didn't have more keys
Plastic.
constantly.
yeah. Well, you know, I was trying
He
to.
looked for a long time and couldn't find any. Like, I need something to find us. And recently found it, but they only had a 2-pack. So this can go on my other car. My other keys. Thank you.
I was trying to be
bag for when you're using your tent.
practical, you know.
So you can sleep in your tent.
The gift for the guy who has everything.
That's right.
Except his keys. Oh, and then we almost got you one at Spencer's. It was...
Coley has doors.
How big was that thing, Adam?
Oh man, it was just a key ring, but it was like this big. I bet you never lose Jesus.
Like a license plate.
It's like Chinese.
That's mine, okay? Jordan, who's this for? Oh yeah, that's for Eric. But he's gonna put it on our mom's phone. I just
Nikki, did you get your gift from us?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Is it too big?
I don't know.
That's what I have to build this thing. I got glue for Christmas. Get out of your mind. This
You got glue for
This
Christmas.
is the cool science. Get out of your mind. Yes, glue for this to build the house. Get out of your mind. This is a lot of time. Get out of your mind. That's a doll. Get out of your mind. Oh, it's a doll. Get out